Hey guys, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get TikTok live and go ahead and get it without having 1,000 followers, guys. So this is a really easy way you can actually get TikTok live without having 1,000 followers. So if you have less than 1,000 followers, 500, even one follower, you can still be able to get TikTok live. Now make sure you follow all these steps, guys, because I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually get it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to the profile section and then click the top three lines. Now once we're here at the top three lines, you're just going to want to click that, and then it's going to be on settings and privacy. Make sure you scroll all the way down to support. Now it's going to say right here, help center, safety center, and report a problem. Now the problem here is we don't have TikTok live, so we're going to go ahead and navigate to this report a problem section, and then we're going to go ahead and click on it, and then we're going to go down, and then we're going to see live. Now once we click live, we're going to go ahead and click on I can't start a live. So you can see right here, it's going to give you some stuff. I can't start a live, whatever. You have to be 16 and over to access live. Just give them a reason why you should have live and stuff, and say you're like 16 or something. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it says right here, is your problem resolved? Press no, and then press need more help. Now right here you can see it's gonna say tell us your feedback. I live stream a lot on other platforms. My other platforms are huge. And then just type your way around this, guys, and you'll be able to get TikTok live. So I'm just gonna say right here, I live stream a lot on other platforms. My other platforms are huge, but I am fairly new to TikTok. Yeah, just say something, guys, like can I get live or something, right? And then a support agent will come your way and give you TikTok live. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's all you have to do. Once you guys actually submit your TikTok report a problem or your feedback, they get around back to you around 2 to 3 days at most, and they'll go ahead and solve your problem with TikTok live, and they'll go ahead at times and give you TikTok live. So that's pretty much how you do it without having 1,000 followers, guys, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video.